Hello, Dr. Spalding here, along with my dog Finn, and today I'm going to share a story with you titled A Mink, a Fink, a Skating Rink, What is a Noun? So this is part of a set of books by Brian P. Cleary, illustrated by Jenya Prosmitsky. And Brian has written all 8 parts of speech. And of course, I was holding Finn earlier, and a dog would be considered a noun. However, as soon as I say Finn, being his name, he then becomes a proper noun and gets a capital. So for more information about nouns, listen to this story. A mink, a fink, a skating rink. What is a noun? A noun, a word that names a person, animal, like Finn, place, or thing. Hill is a noun. Mill is a noun. Even Uncle Bill is a noun. Gown is a noun. Crown is a noun. In fact, our whole hometown is a noun. If it's a deck, a duck, or deer. If it's a crystal, chandelier. If it's a train, or brain, or frown, it's elementary. It's a noun. Nouns can sometimes be quite proper, like Brooklyn Bridge or Edward Hopper. London, Levi's, Pinkenese. Proper nouns name all of these. A jail, a nail, a bale of hay, the pool or park in which you play. A quarter, a porter, a pencil or pear. Nouns are seen most everywhere. A box, a lip, a chocolate chip, a cup or glass from which you sip. A pocket, button, sleeve, or cuff. A noun can simply be your stuff. A mink, a fink, a skating rink, a cake, a rake, your kitchen sink. The Pope, some soap that's on a rope. A downtown mall, a downhill slope. A mouse, a house, a broken clock, New Mexico, an old white sock, some tar, a bar, a baseball star, the place where mother parks her car. A noun can be your Auntie Lynn, the mayor of the town you're in, your friend who tells you corny jokes. A noun can be your favorite folks. A collar, a scholar, a handful of sand, saxes and faxes, the brass in the band, a cat, a bat, your grandma's hat. Nouns are a little of this and that. If it's a place of any kind, a mountain hall or Highway 9, if it's a country, state, or town, then surely it's a noun. And so is a poodle, cherry strudel, a fork, a cork, a curly noodle, a king, a queen, some gasoline, a red raspberry ice machine. If it's a person, place, or thing, your dad, Detroit, or diamond ring, it's a boat, or coat, or clown. It's simple, Simon. It's a noun. So what is a noun? Do you know? The end. Thank you for listening to A Mink, a Fink, a Skating Rink. What is a noun? Written by Brian P. Cleary, illustrated by Jenya Prosmitsky.